Asdi courses offering Master of Business Administration from University of Chichester. University of Chichester is offering different degree programs like undergraduate, postgraduate, degree apprenticeship, foundation degree, and postgraduate certificate in education. The mission of the University of Chichester is to provide outstanding education, advance knowledge, and benefit the world. The University of Chichester vision is that, the University of Chichester will be internationally recognized as a beacon of good practice for high-quality, student-centered higher education within a supportive community of learning. Develop your business skills and apply them directly to workplace projects. You will work in a group of no more than 20 on this part-time course. In the morning you will discuss the theoretical and practical applications of various topics such as strategy, HR, continuous improvement, leadership, and so on. You will apply and practice these ideas in the group to develop confidence to begin using them in the workplace. Afternoons typically begin with a reading club where a topical paper or book is discussed in relation to the earlier session. This session aims to develop your confidence in engaging with scholarly material. A lot of your learning and assignments will be in the form of projects, which you will often complete at work. Successful projects have included the introduction of a new spreadsheet in a team to record invoicing, working with a colleague in a different department on a small project to prove a concept, investigating a new market for a product. You will learn in small groups through discussion and tasks set by your lecturers. This course is mainly assessed through coursework. This course is delivered by academics that have a proven track record as successful practitioners prior to university life. You will study a selection of core and optional modules in each year. Each module is worth a number of credits and is delivered differently depending on its content and focus of study. This list is indicative and subject to change. Year 1. Organizational impact, an operational perspective. Developing people and team, operational perspective. Understanding self and our wider impact, an operational perspective. Year 2. Organizational impact, a wider strategic perspective. Developing people and team, strategic perspective. Understanding self and our wider impact, the strategic view. Consultancy project, 6 to 12 months. Consultancy and business solutions, proposal development. Consultancy and business solutions, consultancy project. This degree prepares you for a range of business and leadership careers. You will graduate with specific management knowledge as well as transferable soft skills including communication, teamwork, and time management. Admission is dependent upon you being in, or about to be in, a supervisory, management or leadership role, or a role with significant management responsibilities throughout the program. At work where you will be able to deploy and reflect upon the material of the program. in possession of an undergraduate degree or equivalent and/or a professional qualification at graduate level in a relevant field followed by at least 2 years management experience. Or, substantial experience in a management or leadership role, usually in a middle or senior managerial post, where the applicant can demonstrate clear potential to operate at postgraduate level and benefit from the opportunity. A member of the academic team will consider applications on an individual basis. For detailed information, WhatsApp us on 00923315999937 0092321505 6755.